So what are you most excited about with this new drone?
Well, I'd have to say what really, I wouldn't say excited, but what I'm, happy about is the fact that it folds up nice and neat. Let's say you have one of those ones where the arms are always out and you bring it inside because you're done with it for the day, right? You gotta have enough space for it to sit because of how wide the arm stand is. You could have a cat stand on it, like your dog could grab it because the arms are out.
Mm-hmm.
You could accidentally kick it. You could, you'd pick it up and you think, oh, hey, I'll put it here, and then it's not wide enough for it. It falls over. Like, I showed you a picture of it with, like, all four arms out, right?
Yeah.
That is it, all folded up. But for, like I said, this was $38. Here in blue letters, it says streaming live video to your smart device, so that would be my phone, right?
Uh-huh.
Now, whether that is live footage at the time, and then you have to, take that and then put it onto YouTube or whatever, you know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Like, I'm not entirely sure that it can stream live footage while you're flying it.
And any, reviews where people are complaining about it, it's probably because they're stupid.
Well, I did watch a video before I was flying it and everything. The one guy was like, oh, well, they've made this model about 50 times and they've recycled different apps for it. I got this app because that's what it says it goes with, but it doesn't work. Cool. Another guy said he got a JY UFO app, and it worked. That app worked for him. The app I got, it says webcam, for drones and shit, right? And I got it to come onto my phone. I'm waving my hand in front of the drone. I can see it on my phone. So I even showed Kennedy. When I brought it home, I charged the battery. I put it in it. I put the batteries in the controller, right? I turned it all on.
Uh-huh.
I made the propellers go, which scared me for a fucking second because I haven't done it in a while, Mom and Kennedy went upstairs. I unfolded it again. Got it. I sat it down on the floor out in the living room.
Mm-hmm.
I got it to come up. I made it go forward, back, left, right, just, get a hang of it a little bit. And then I pressed the auto down button to make sure that worked. It landed. It shut off. The propeller shut off. It was still on. I pressed the auto up button. It went up. It's, it's a little hectic. There's a speed button on it. I have to, judge where it needs to actually be. Because the other one, this one you have to take it out to charge it. The other one you did too. But it was like a battery that was encased in see-through plastic. And the cable was, it wasn't bare, but it had red on it, like, normal cables, red and black and white cables have on them. Had all that on it. And like I said, I went to go charge it the one day and it just stopped taking a charge.
Do you have the skill where you should be flying a drone?
I'm amateur at best.
Now, do you think you're going to crash it and destroy it within the first day of flying it?
I'm hoping not. I spent hard-earned money on this. Having a drone in the beginning, I wasn't great at flying it. I brought it up maybe a few inches off the floor, right? The first time I flew that.
Mm-hmm.
A few inches up off the floor. I'm thinking, okay, I'll let it sit here and hover. I'll let it glide around. I'll gently move the joystick so I'm not like making it fly into walls and shit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, no, I like I said, I am amateur at best, and that's where I will stand until I get better at it.
Uh huh.
Yeah, I'm not gonna risk taking it off super fast or making it go you know around anything very fast until I get full control of it. Grant, have you been recording my voice this whole time?
No, not the whole time.
Grant.
Not the whole time.
Oh. So you were recording my voice.
For part of the time.
You know how I figured that out?
How?
When you asked me the question, now, what do you think about people who can't get it to work correctly? You notice how I changed my answer?
What would your answer have normally been?
My answer would have normally been they're fucking idiots or goddamn morons.
Uh huh.
But I changed my answer when you pretty much indirectly asked me the question.
Interesting. How come you changed your answer?
Because I can fucking hate.
Okay.